Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am diving into something really exciting, the future of human resources. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, it is set to change how HR departments operate. The big question, will HR become obsolete because of AI? Will humans still be needed in HR by 2030? Let's explore the future of HR, AI, and the future of work. Human resources plays a crucial role in every company. They are the backbone of an organization. But with the AI technology advancing rapidly, many are asking, will HR departments still need humans by 2030? Let's take a look at the wide range of tasks HR professionals handle, from recruiting new employees to onboarding, training, managing benefits, navigating labor laws, maintaining workplace morale, and overseeing performance management. In small companies, HR teams usually consist of just 1 to 2 people. In medium sized companies, there are 3 to 10 professionals, and in large companies with 500 plus employees, HR teams can have 10 or more members. But with AI's rapid advancement, the big question is, will human involvement still be needed in these tasks in the future? AI is already stepping in to handle many HR routine tasks. By 2030, we can expect that many clerical and repetitive duties will be fully automated, like resume screening, scheduling interviews, onboarding, payroll, and even conducting initial assessments of candidates. AI powered tools can quickly scan thousands of resumes, analyze data, and even conduct initial interviews through chatbots, all faster than any human could. Experts predict that by 2030, 30 to 40% of HR tasks will be automated by AI. This means nearly half of all the routine administrative tasks currently handled by HR teams will be taken over by the AI powered systems. But here is the twist: AI won't be able to do everything. There are some critical duties that will always require human involvement, even in a future dominated by AI. While AI can handle routine tasks like screening, scheduling, basic training, and data processing, it can't replace human involvement in building relationships, fostering trust, leadership development, conflict resolution, employee engagement, strategic workforce planning, and making ethical decisions. These areas demand human expertise, empathy, cultural understanding, and emotional intelligence, things AI simply can't replicate. So, while 30 to 40 percentage of HR duties will be automated, 60 to 70 percentage of HR responsibilities still need human input. By 2030, as AI takes over administrative tasks, HR teams will become more specialized. They will focus on strategic areas like talent management, leadership development, and diversity. While the number of HR professionals may decrease, their roles will become more strategic, driving growth and fostering a positive, inclusive culture. In summary, AI will transform HR, but human expertise will remain essential in more specialized roles. So, what do you think? Will AI fully reshape HR? Or is there still a place for human professionals? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We will see you next time.